Hello.
Hello,
How are you?
I am great. Thank you. How are you?
Good. Thank you for asking. Is it
Uh,
Ramzan?
yes, my name is Muhammad Ramzan.
Ramzan. But you,
Yes,
but you prefer to be called Ramzan.
yes,
Okay.
that's fine.
Fantastic. So I can see you're from India.
Yes,
What part of India are you from?
I am from northern part of India, that is Jammu and Kashmir.
Okay. Okay.
Yes,
I've been to India, but mainly in the south.
okay. Like Kerala or
Um,
Goa?
Tamil Nadu mainly. So Mahabalipuram, Kanchipuram, Chennai, sort of around there.
Okay. Can you please speak a little bit louder because I'm not able to hear you clearly?
Okay, can you hear me better now?
I can hear you now.
Okay, fantastic.
So basically, I found your profile yesterday, and you are a counselor as well. I sent you one
Yes.
message. So what I was thinking is that can you provide me some guidance related to my problems? Whatever I scheduled, I want some suggestions from you that how I can make the things more productive. So I will be booking any other class, then you will be free. And do you have any expertise in counseling?
Okay, so this is what I sent you a message in return. So you literally want me as a counselor. Okay, well,
Yes,
I wouldn't work in that capacity on Cambly, because that's about having conversations in English ethically. So being registered in my country, that's a completely different thing.
yes. So you mean that I can connect you on Skype or Zoom or Google Meet or anywhere
Um,
else, right?
I work with agencies, so you'd have to sign up for like I'm a counselor for the NHS. I don't do private counseling right now. I work for other
Okay,
companies.
okay,
So next year maybe when I've set up my private practice, but ethically,
okay,
literally by the people that allow me to do what I do in the UK, I would not be allowed to take on clients like this.
okay, no problem. So, okay, I will try to manage for now, and later on when you will be free, then I will
Okay.
connect with you. Yes. So what I had the problem with the communication is like when I try to communicate with the
Okay.
female, like girls. So at that moment, I my confidence get loosed. So can you suggest me that how I can manage the things and what type of attitude I must have while doing the communication, and because of which I feel more
Okay.
confident.
So you're saying that you're trying to engage with females, and when you approach them or try and speak with them, you feel like your confidence drops.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Are there any other things that happen? Like, do you feel anything physically, like sweaty hands or racing heart, anything like that?
Yes, that is, and even when someone is asking me any question, then I feel too much stressed at that moment. I mean, I couldn't able to respond properly, the proper response which I had to give
Okay.
to
And
them.
is that anybody speaking to you or just women? Okay,
Just
just
woman.
women. How old are you?
Yes, I am
Okay,
24.
24. And have you had in the past at all a partner or girlfriend or sort of romantic relationship?
No, no,
No?
no, no,
Okay.
no.
Why are you laughing?
I am laughing because this is little strange for
Yeah.
me.
What are you finding
Yes.
strange?
Strange, I mean, just like I read about the things, if we are trying to do more communication, then we get distracted from our goals, and also because of which I had the fear to not wasting my time. So that's why I kept myself away from all this
Okay, so
stuff.
you said you have a fear about wasting your time.
Yes. I had, because I gone through a lot of articles, and yes, people were suggesting me that to keep yourself more positive and all this stuff, in order to, if you are interested to manage, so you have to keep yourself away from all this stuff. I mean, not communicating with the girls, and just keep yourself away from all
Okay,
this.
when you say away from all this, do you mean speaking with girls? Okay,
Yes.
I'm trying to understand. So I think, please correct me if I'm wrong. What you're saying is
Yes.
because you get nervous or your confidence drops when you speak with a woman, that stresses you out. So that makes you feel negative.
No, right now I have the fear of not speaking
Yes.
confidently. But what I am thinking is that earlier I had the mindset that if I am communicating, or maybe, yes, communicating, or maybe uh, keeping myself little closer. You mean that in the class, if we have the things like girlfriend and all, so in that way, the person become more negative
Okay.
and distracted from the studies.
Right. Okay. So basically, that being with someone and focusing on your goals can't go together. Okay, I understand
Yes,
now.
that is correct.
I
Yes.
understand now. So there's two things that are
Yes.
happening there. You're saying that you have moved on from believing that. You don't believe that engaging with a girl will distract you from your life. You think they can go together now.
I mean, that was earlier, and right now I am thinking that I have to communicate, because there are a lot of clients of mine, and I have the business in which I have to communicate with the girls.
Okay. So
So this is the
not just
problem.
romantically, just engaging with women in general is difficult.
Yes,
Okay. I mean, well,
yes.
we're 13 minutes into a conversation and you've spoken with me very well.
Yes, nowadays actually I am communicating on the Cambly. So about 20 tutors I met, and all were I mean,
Amazing.
female. Yes, so I just focused on this specific thing, that how I can try to interact with the girls and how I can respond them. So in that way, I will be feeling more
Yes.
confidence.
And I think this is it. I think making there be less focus, particularly if we're not thinking romantically, right? We're not thinking about having a partner or something like that. Just finding the
Mhm.
humanity, the commonality in women will make the whole thing feel less scary. Yeah.
Yes, yes, okay. So you are from
So I'm
UK?
from New York in America, but I've lived in London in the UK for 12 years.
Okay. So in order to improve my pronunciation, can you recommend me any specific platform or maybe website from where I can practice
Um,
my English?
Ramzan, I have no idea what you're talking about. Your pronunciation is fantastic. Your
Okay,
English
thank you.
is
Actually,
so clear.
so someone was saying me that I have to work on my accent.
I mean, I don't know what they were talking about. I think your accent's fantastic.
Okay, thank you. So this is good news for me, that I have already improved a lot of things, and now I'm
Yes.
comfortable
I
with
mean,
this.
you
All right.
obviously you sound to me like you're from South Asia, like you're from India, but there is not a single word that you have said that I have not understood. It's very easy
Okay,
to
so
understand
okay.
you.
Okay, so now I am just focusing on communication with
Yes.
girls, basically, because this was a major
Yes.
obstacle for me, and nowadays I have the business need, so I have to
Yeah.
do all this stuff to do the communication with means the girls and all. So, okay, no problem. I will be practicing
Yeah.
on the Cambly and try to
Yeah.
interact, not romantically, but
Yes.
professionally,
And honestly, I would
according
love
to the
to
need.
speak to you again. Like, this has been really pleasant. I think The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll be.
Yes. Okay.